Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Marvel Rivals 99% loading bug, and then let's get straight into the video. So for this, there are either corrupt files. What you can do, you can fix the corrupt files, and you can do that by opening up Steam. If you have it downloaded through Steam, go over to Library, go over to Marvel Rivals, right click on it and go ahead and hit Properties. From Properties, go over to Installed Files. From here, you can go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Verify this game's files are installed correctly. Once that's done, that should remove any corrupt files, and you should be good to go. You can do the same thing on Epic Games Launcher as well. It's the same process. Just look for the game, right click on it, etc. It should be called Verify Repair Files as well. And once you do that, I highly recommend restarting your PC. And you can also update your drivers as well. If that's something you want to do, you can go ahead and update your drivers as well, because that can be a potential fix as well. And once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go and you are all set. So that is it for the videos. That is how to fix the Marvel Rivals 99% loading bug fix. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.